assembled SUV will cost a cool $295,995 before taxes. The latest SUV derivative from Land Rover comes in the form of the Range Rover SV Coupe. The limited edition model is a two-door version of the luxurious Range Rover, with frameless windows and blacked-out pillars giving it a sporty floating roof effect. Sure, it's a little bit less practical than a regular Range Rover, but boy does it have curb appeal. Debuting at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, the SV Coupe is a product of the Special Vehicle Operations Department. All of its body panels aside from the hood and liftgate are changed from a standard Range Rover, and it will be hand-assembled at the SVO Technical Center. The standard air suspension rides 0.31-inch lower than regular Range Rovers. It's adjustable to offer lower or higher ride heights depending on the driving situation. Wheel choices range from 21 to 23 inches in diameter, making this the first Range Rover to ever offer 23s from the factory.